In this video, I'll be showing you how to flip video in Adobe Premiere Pro. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's super easy to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on any PC you have or a MacBook, whatever you want, because it is the same layout. So all you want to do is open up Premiere Pro. Now, whenever you open it up, you can do this on any existing project you have, or you can do it on a brand new project as well. So for example, if I went over to this project right here, I'm just going to open up one of my current existing ones. Now, let's say this footage is some of the footage that I wanted to go ahead and rotate or flip or anything like that. It's actually super easy to go ahead and do this. So all I want to do is highlight my, whatever track you want, highlight whatever video it is, then go over to effect controls, which is right here. And then you're going to see rotation. So you can literally just like move it left and right. You can, type in an individual figure if you want to. So for example, if I want to do 50, I could go ahead and do that if I want to. What I could also do is like a tracking one. So I could press this little keyframe icon here. So right now it starts at 0. And then over here, I could just do something like 90 over here. And then I could do another keyframe over here for like 180. And then another one here for 270. And then a final one which is going to be like 360. So, or I could literally just like remove these ones and then just do a full circle. So as you can see, it's like slowly turning. And then, yeah, I can just keep doing like a weird rotation thing or really anything you want